Hello, you're viewing 121 Fawn Valley Road, the newest home into our Fawn Valley community in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. This is Commodore Homes of Pennsylvania. It's a 16 by 68, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It will have a covered front deck with black vinyl railings leading down to a paver walkway, and then a brand new driveway with landscaping and lamppost included. Okay, I'll take you for a tour. You have to have a little imagination right now. We just set the home yesterday. So as you come in, enter into your living room. So this living room's open to the nook area of the kitchen for dining room. And into the kitchen, black appliances, farm sink, upgraded cabinetry with crown molding and under cabinet trim. Right off the kitchen is your laundry. It would be a electric dryer and washer machine leading out to your back door, which then you could, at your option, have a deck or patio completed by us. Is a propane stove and dishwasher. This side of the house has the master bedroom. So it's a large master with a walk-in closet. And then this is the ensuite bathroom. It's a vanity and it's a shower with glass doors. Take you to the other side of the house. Here's the other full bathroom. This would be for this end bedroom here. The bedroom, and then that's a walk-in closet. And your furnace and central air is located behind this door. So this home has a lot of upgrades. A digital thermostat, ceiling fans, drywall, crown molding. Really nice LED recessed lighting. Love the color combo and how it came out. So if you'd like to come take a look, give us a call. Thank you very much.